What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari Beats back with a nighttime POV. As y'all can see, some slight, man. Video not gonna be too long. Just gonna let y'all know up front. Obviously, you can tell before you click on the video, but hey, anyway, we're at a nighttime POV, man. Kind of late night, you know what I'm saying? POV, not too late, but it's a little late, so you know, y'all boy know what the program is. But make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And yeah, man, we're finna just do a smooth little POV drive, man. You know what I'm saying? Down the main road, get a little downshift, a little whatever, little action, slight action. Roll these windows down, man. Turn the AC off. So I see we got the ambient light going. Not too crazy. I don't know what kind of thumbnail I'm gonna use. Let me just get y'all one like this. I know it's hard to get good thumbnail at nighttime. I feel like I ain't did that in a minute, but that wind cutting a little bit. Well, that charger was on 30s, what? I ain't even get to show y'all. Well, I'm talking about probably 32. Like, them rims were bigger than 30 fast. That mo was sending the hell like, talking about, well, you can walk up under the car, literally. Dang, I wish I could have caught it on camera. Talking about real life charger sitting on 30s. Turn your radio down, making all that noise, man. Cause radio loud, disturbing the peace. I should be able to hear your radio outside the car with the windows on. And you ain't got no tent, man. Come on, man, we in 2024. I ain't gonna lie, man. If you're in 2024 with no tent and your car ain't brand new and it been less than 2 weeks, well, you're weird, bro. Why you still don't got tent, bro? Like, tent is like mandatory. Tent is mandatory, bro. I don't care what nobody say, bro. Y'all tripping. Still riding around with no tent for no reason, cuz you're tripping. Tripping, boy. Telling you now, but tripping. Ooh, yeah. I don't know if y'all hit on pops. She burbling, she burbling. Yeah, man. Get out of these cars. I know I scared one of them. But, I was finna say, you got some big tailpipe, what? Man, we got what I was finna say. I really need to get over. I need to get over, but I might take another way. I don't know. Might take another way just for y'all, boy. Just ride through the traffic. Feel me? What it? Stick 'em. Y'all ain't heard that in a while. I ain't heard that stick 'em in a while, boy. But yeah, man, I want to ask y'all something, man. Y'all think, y'all comment down below if I should take my stripes off, the black and yellow stripe, or leave them on. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. But why are you walking in the road? Y'all let me know if I should take the stripes off or leave them on. You feel me? I don't know. My cuz got an old school, but look at that. With the underglow? Got the old school with the underglow. That's what you want to race? Been hard. Cuz got the old school with the underglow. I ain't never seen that, boy. That real deal country. Crazy. Cuz got the underglow on the farm truck. Farm truck running good too. No smoking. Alright. Yeah, man, I know the POV ain't too much entertaining, man, but I'm trying to stay consistent. You feel me? And not go too long without dropping videos, man. Cause I know how y'all boy get. Y'all already be sleeping on me anyway, but when I give y'all a reason to sleep, it just get worse. Views start declining. Y'all say y'all be voting for POV. I had put a poll out for vlogs over POVs. Everybody voting POVs, but y'all don't be watching the POVs, bro. I don't get it. I mean, I can't burn rubber every video unless y'all boy gonna cash up a nigga some bread. You know what I mean? You feel me? Cause all y'all gotta do is watch the video. All that'll come, like, you know what I'm saying? The bread, the burn rubber and all that. But everything cost money. We ain't gonna sit here and cap it down. Like, it's just like, you know what I'm saying, money grow on trees or something. You feel me? But hey, man, y'all boys get the picture, man. Y'all, whatever y'all want to see, y'all know how I do it. But y'all boys gotta, you know what I'm saying, give me something to work with. Y'all gotta give me something to work with, man. I'm far from rich. You feel me? I ain't got no ATL money glitch. You feel me? Or no Georgia money glitch. No nothing. I ain't got none of that, cuz. It's just me and the law, man. It's just me and the law. That's it. So y'all boy need to, you know what I'm saying? Well, watch the video, bro. Just like the video. All y'all boy gotta do is like the video, man. 100 likes every video. You right now watching, you ain't like the video yet, hit the like button. You ain't like the video yet, and you still watching, hit the like button. You watching for a reason, bro. You still here? You feel me? Hit the like button. That's it. 100 likes a video, bro. Take me a long way. 100 likes a video, bro. For the next 20 videos, bro, get us to 20K fast. Y'all boy just still don't know how YouTube work, man. Y'all watch other YouTubers that big, and they say, you know what I'm saying, like the video, y'all like it. Just 'cause y'all see a lot of other folk like it. Come on, man. Same work, same way, bro. Them niggas started from the bottom just like me. Y'all just saw them when they got big. boy get to it, man. Get right, man. My boy get right, cuz. But yeah. I hit that like button, man. Comment down below if I should take my stripes off or leave them on. You feel me? Comment down below POV drive videos. Even if you seen me do it. Besides drifting every turn, I know y'all, I post that. Y'all don't even watch them anymore for real, but besides that, bro. Matter of fact, just comment what you want to see, cuz. What POV drive y'all want to see? Y'all voted that y'all still want to see POV drive. What POV drive do y'all boy want to watch? You feel me? Comment down below and let me know, man. I don't know why y'all scared of that comment section, man. I don't know why y'all scared of the comment section, bro. If you are new watching this video right now and this your first time watching my video, hit that like button. Comment down below what videos you like to see from me. Join the car crew, you feel me? You won't be disappointed, man. You won't be disappointed. I'm gonna get back in my groove, man. I'm gonna get back in my groove. Y'all boys just gotta stay down with me. You know what I'm saying? Real car crew know, man. The real car crew know. I know some of y'all just be here, you know what I'm saying, off of one little thing, and then, you know, y'all gone. But hey, man, y'all gonna see. Y'all boys gonna see, cuz. But yeah, man. Anyway, man. That gonna be a wrap for the night video, you know what I'm saying? Smooth little nighttime, late night POV drive, man. Pitch black, ambient lighting, you know what I'm saying? Some smooth, calm, and collective. You feel me? I'm gonna just keep posting, man. I'm gonna just stay hungry for this, y'all, regardless. You know what I'm saying? How I be feeling sometimes. I know I kind of get in my ways. You know what I'm saying? Everything seems like it don't really be working how I want it to work. Or y'all just ain't tuning in. You know what I'm saying? There's 15,000 plus of y'all, you feel me? I know all y'all ain't gonna watch it, but come on, cuz. You ain't subscribed for nothing. That's a waste of space on your phone. So you feel me? Like, my boy, tighten up, man. But yeah, man, anyway, that gonna be a wrap for the night's video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You feel me? And for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix, you know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up, man. Keep him first in everything that you do, man. You feel me? And just build that faith, build that trust. You know what I'm saying? Take you a long way. And also, man, for everybody chasing any kind of dream, man, any kind of goal, man, keep pushing for that goal. You know what I'm saying? Stay hungry. The sky's the limit and you can touch it. You know what I'm saying? But keep doing what you got to do. Don't let nobody tell you no, man. Don't let nobody get in your ear about something you know that can work. You just got to put in that work and figure out how to make it work. You feel me? Try anything, try everything to your ability to make it work, man. Safely, you know what I'm saying? Safely. But like I also said in my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.